हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन। टेल लाइन सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन। लेट स्टार्ट। नंबर 1, गुड मॉर्निंग। टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड। गुड मॉर्निंग टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सेकंड लाइन, माय नेम इज अमित पटेल। My name is Amit Patel. Third line, I am 16 years old. I am 16 years old. Phone number, I live in Delhi with my parents and grandparents. I live in Delhi with my parents and grandparents. Fifth line, my father is a businessman and my mother is a school teacher. My father is a businessman and my mother is a school teacher. Sixth line, my favorite subjects are English and science. My favorite subjects are English and science. Number 7. My hobbies are reading books, watching movies, and painting. My hobbies are reading books, watching movie, and painting. Number 8 line. I am also very interested in sport and I love to play badminton. I am also very interested in sport and I love to play badminton. Number 9th, I am a very punctual and determined student. And my ambition is to become IAS officer. I am a very punctual and determined student, and my ambition is to become an IAS officer. 10th line. That's all about me. Thank you so much. प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.